Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about top 7 best YouTube channels for data science and AI in 2025. If you're learning data science or diving into artificial intelligence, you're probably overwhelmed by the number of resources online, especially on YouTube. So in this video, I have handpicked 7 of the best YouTube channels that will help you learn faster, build smarter, and grow your career in the world of AI and data science. Whether you're just starting out, preparing for interviews, or want to work on real-world projects, this list has something for everyone. So let's get started. Coming in at number 1, StatQuest by Josh Starmer. If you're struggling with statistics or machine learning theory, Josh has a way of making even the most complicated topics feel like a friendly bedtime story. From regression to decision trees and deep learning, everything is broken down step by step. He uses colorful visuals and storytelling, making it super easy to understand formulas and concepts, even if you're not a math person. It's best for beginners to intermediate learners. The uploading style is whiteboard style explainer videos. You can give a try on logistic regression, principal component analysis from this channel to start with. Next up, we got Krish Naik, one of the most active and hands-on educator in the AI community. What makes Krish special is how practical he is. His videos walk you through real-world ML problems and projects, deployment on the cloud, and deep dives into NLP, computer vision, and even large language models. He also uploads regularly, which means you're always updated with the latest in AI. It's best for intermediate to advanced learners. Uploading style basically code-focused, project-driven tutorials, and you can start with end-to-end ML projects, Hugging Face Transformer series from his channel. Now let's talk about Kenji, a data scientist who not only teaches tech but also talks career strategy. Ken gives you a look behind the curtains of the data science industry, from resume tips to portfolio building and data challenges. If you're applying for jobs, freelancing, or building a personal brand in AI, Ken's advice is gold. It's best for career-focused learners, job switchers. The basic upload style is talking head, blogs, career breakdowns, and you can start with how to get a job in data science, resume reviews, etc. Resume reviews are the must-watch from this channel. Fourth on our list is Cory Scaffer. While this isn't a pure data science channel, his Python tutorials are legendary. If you ever Googled how to use pandas or Flask, you've probably landed on one of Cory's detailed and perfectly structured videos. He covers everything from Python basics to advanced libraries, helping you level up your programming skills for data science. Best for all skill level enthusiasts. Uploading style is code walkthroughs with real projects. You can watch his pandas tutorials, Flask REST APIs videos. At number 5, we have got Data School by Kevin Markham. Kevin is a former data science instructor, and his videos are laser focused on practical skills like data wrangling, machine learning pipelines, and using tools like scikit-learn. If you're someone who learns best by doing, you'll love his clean, example-driven style. Best for beginners and intermediate Python data scientists. His uploading style is screencast tutorials with clean code. You can try his scikit-learn introduction, train or test split explained videos. Sixth on our list, Alex the Analyst, the go-to YouTuber for everything related to data analytics and SQL. If you're transitioning into data or starting a career in business intelligence, this channel teaches Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and career tips too. He also shares salary breakdowns, day in the life vlogs, and job prep playlist. Best for data analysts, beginners, is uploading style basically tool tutorials, career advice. You can give a try on data analyst roadmap video, SQL practice project videos of him. And finally, Code Emporium, a lesser known gem that dives into deep learning and research focused content. You'll find in-depth walkthroughs of AI models like transformers, GANs, LSTMs, often referencing research papers and actual implementations. If you're curious about the why behind the models and want to get closer to the research world, this is your spot. It's best for advanced learners, AI enthusiasts. His uploading style is whiteboard plus code breakdowns. Give a try on Transformers Explained, GAN's implementation videos from his channel. Some newer channels making waves in 2025 includes Pavitra's podcast. You guessed it right, that's me of course, for real-time coding tutorials, clustering projects, and AI app walkthroughs. Tech with Tim, amazing for Python-based AI applications. Deep Learning AI by Andrew Ng, offering deep technical content on neural networks. I hope this video helped. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.